Welcome back. Let's learn some hacks you wanted to know about before. Starting with our first hack, which is called the butterfly method for adding and subtracting the fractions. Let's try this fraction. 4 over 5 plus 3 over 6. So the first step is that we highlight 4 and 6, this diagonal. And then we take the other diagonal, 3 and 5. Then we first multiply 4 times 6 and we get 20. Then we multiply 5 times 3 and we get 15. Next, we multiply the denominators, which are 5 and 6, so we get 30. Now we add up the top parts, so we have obtained two results from the top part, 15 and 20. So, the sum of 15 and 20 is 35. On the numerator, we have 35, and on the denominator, we take the value that we have obtained in the bottom, which is 30. So, our final answer is 35 over 30. The next hack is multiplying by 9 using your hands. Extend both of your hands in front of you with the palms facing downwards. Assign each finger a number from 1 to 10, starting with your left pinky as 1 and ending with your right pinky as 10. Now let's multiply 9 into 5. To represent the digit 5, you will use only your left hand. Keep your right hand as it is and bend down your left thumb. This lowered left thumb represents the number 5. Count the number of fingers on the left hand. Since the left pinky finger represents 1, and there are 4 fingers on the left side of the thumb, we write 4. Now count the fingers on the right side, including your right hand's fingers. So there are 5 fingers on the right hand side, therefore we write 5. By combining these two results, we have obtained 4 and 5, so the answer is 45. Now let's jump to our third hack and learn the 9 times table. You can see the table of 9 on the screen. On the right-hand side of the equal sign, there are 2 digits for each calculated value, which are the products of the corresponding numbers on the left-hand side. If you observe the right-hand side, you will see that the first column starts from 0 and goes all the way to 9 in a sequential order. Similarly, if you observe the right-hand side, you'll notice that the second column is arranged in descending order, starting from 9 and going all the way to 0. It's easy, isn't it? Now, let's discuss another hack and see how you can multiply large numbers in your head. Let's take an example of multiplying 98 by 95. Choose a number close to 100 that is easy to work with mentally. In this case, we'll choose 100. Now subtract the difference between 100 and each of the numbers, 98 and 95, from 100. For 98, 100 minus 2, which is equal to 98. For 95, 100 minus 5, which is equal to 95. And now we multiply the adjusted numbers. 98 multiplied by 5 is equal to 98 multiplied by 100 minus 98 multiplied by 5. To calculate 98 multiplied by 100, multiply 98 by 100, which is 9,800. To calculate 98 multiplied by 5, multiply 98 by 5, which is 490. Finally, subtract the results obtained in the previous two steps and we'll get 9,800 minus 490, which is equal to 9,310. Which is our final answer. And just like that, you can solve any multiplication equation in your head. Moving on to the next hack, memorizing pi. To memorize the first 7 digits of pi, just count the letters in each word of the following sentence. How I wish I could calculate pi. Pi equals 3.141592. Interesting, isn't it? Now let's see how we can add fractions with a simple hack. We have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4. We can simply add and multiply the denominators. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 9 over 20, and that's our answer, 9 over 20. How about another hack? Let's see how we can convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. First, we multiply the temperature by 1.8. Let's say the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So, 30 multiplied by 1.8, which gives us 54. Then we add 32 to it. 54 plus 32 equals to 86. So 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, just reverse the order. First subtract 32. Let's say the temperature is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So, 86 minus 32, which is equal to 54, then divide the result by 1.8. So, 54 divided by 1.8, which is equal to 30. So, 86 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. I hope you had fun learning these hacks, and thank you for watching.